Zoita! You made it! No Mai Kia Toy Time! Are you ready to sing? Are you ready to dance? Kite kani kani? It's party time! Let's go!
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Spin it, spin it, spin it all around. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. When you're up to toy time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time?
It's toy time fun, and when I'm really excited, we gonna have a good time, and you're all invited. We got Tama Jamal, Wolfie on marimba, and we got Anika Moy, yeah, we on my cuss. Tell me, are you ready to ride? Because we bringing the vibes to you right here on toy time.
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time. Aya! Tama! Jojo! Love! Anika! Toy time. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Spin it, spin it, spin it all around. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. When you're up to toy time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time.
Kia ora, Toy Time whānau. I'm Tama, and I've got a really fun game to play with you. It's called I Spy. I spy with my little eye something beginning with J.
J for Jojo. Kia ora.
Kia ora. Look, I view with my karu something beginning with M.
M for Maya. Kia ora, Tama. Pai te kite i a koe, and nice to see you too.
Oh, great to see you both. Look, I'm really excited because today's show is all about something super cool we do with our eyes. Our sight.
I can blink, I can wink, I can shut my eyes tight, I can open them wide, I can blink, I can wink, but best of all, my eyes can help me see. I can see far, but who sees the best? Eagles see farther than all the rest. Sharks have the best eyes under the sea, but can they wink like me? I can blink, I can wink, I can shut my eyes tight, I can open them wide, I can blink, I can wink, but best of all, my eyes can help me see. Chameleons' eyes can see all around. Owls have the best night vision in town. What if I had 5 eyes like a bee, but they can't wink like me? I can blink, I can wink, I can shut my eyes tight, I can open them wide, I can blink, I can wink, but best of all, my eyes can help me see. I can blink, I can wink, I can shut my eyes tight, I can open them wide, I can blink, I can wink, but best of all, my eyes can help me see.
Oh, oh.
Whakarongo mai, tamariki mā. This is the story of Tama who cried wolf. Once upon a time, there was a Tama who lived on a sheep farm with his mum.
Tama, please watch over our precious hippie while I work in the garden. There has been a wolf around and I don't want it scaring her away.
Okay, I will. I'm bored. Shh. Wolf! Wolf! I saw a wolf!
I came as fast as I could, Tama. Where's the wolf?
I was just kidding. It's just a joke.
Tama, you must only cry wolf if there really is a wolf.
Tama's mum went back to gardening and Tama went back to looking for a wolf.
Wolf! Wolf! It's a wolf this time, Mum! Wolf! It's a real wolf!
Where? Where's the wolf, Tama?
I can't believe you fell for it again, Mum.
Tama, you must only cry wolf when there really is a wolf. This is not funny.
Tama's mum went back to gardening, but it wasn't long before Tama cried out again.
Wolf! Wolf! I saw a wolf! Mum, I'm for reals! I'm for reals, Mum! Mum!
But this time, Tama's mum didn't believe Tama. She didn't come to help and their sheep ran away.
Oh, I'm for reals! Mum!
Oh, how did I do, Tama?
Oh, there was a real wolf, Mum. Oh, I called out wolf, wolf, but you didn't come.
I thought you were tricking me again, Tama.
Oh, Motaku here. I'm sorry for tricking you. I won't do it again.
It's okay, darling. I'll help you find the hippie. Come on. It's all right.
Sorry.
Come on, hippie. Come on.
Oh,
Excuse me. Is this your sheep?
yes.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to scare it away.
Oh, thank you, Wolfie. Oh, I mean, Mr. Wuruhi.
You're welcome.
Oh, I'll never cry wolf again unless there really, really, really is a wolf.
The wolf turned out to be the best sheepdog ever, and they all lived happily ever after. The end.
All right, friends, take a bow.
Oh,
Tēnā koutou! It's me, Buzz the Cuz, back at it again on another amazing adventure. Today, I'm at Blind Low Vision NZ Guide Dogs, and I'm off to meet some special kuri who help out our mates who are blind or have low vision. Hoa ke tātou!
Good girl, well done.
Whoa! Look, there's a dog training to be a guide dog now. Let's check it out.
Ty, forward.
That dog's learning how to cross the road because people who can't see very well don't know when it's safe to cross. Oh, where are they going now? Let's go.
Good. Good girl, Ty.
Whoa, the guide dogs have to make sure their friend doesn't bump into anything.
Ty, forward. And stop. Ty, find the chair. Good girl, well done.
This is my chance to pet the dog. Okay, Buzz. Whoa, kia ora.
Kia ora.
Hey, can I have a seat with you?
Yeah, sure.
Awesome. Kia ora, I'm Buzz.
I'm Carla, nice to meet you.
Kia ora, Carla. And who's this beautiful wahine?
This is Ty.
Ooh, kia ora, Tai. Can I pet her, please?
Yeah, sure, thank you for asking. It's really important to ask to pet a working guide dog.
Kia ora, Tai. Kia ora.
Oh, she's so beautiful.
Thank you.
Are you training today?
Yes, we are.
Awesome. I saw you going down the obstacles. I thought, that's on to her.
Yes, no, she's doing very well. We're teaching her how to move around obstacles and, yeah.
Amazing. All right, well, I've got to keep going. I'll see you later.
See ya.
Ka kite. Check this out, cuzzies. It's the new litter of puppies. They're Labrador Retrievers. And when they get a bit older, they're going to be trained up to be guide dogs. That's one of the most important jobs a dog could ever do. They're so cuddly, but we're not allowed to touch them yet because they're not vaccinated. Kia ora. Kia ora. All right. Come here. Come here. Oh, it's such an awesome day today, whānau. Those puppies were so cute and those other dogs were so smart. Ka kite anō.
A, what's a word that starts with A? A, have a think, what would you say? A, what's a word that starts with A? Airplane, fly like an airplane round the room, fly like an airplane round the room, fly like an airplane round the room, fly like an airplane round the room. E, what's a word that starts with E? E, have a think, now let me see. E, what's a word that starts with E? Elephant. Walk like an elephant, swing your trunk. 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 I, what's a word that starts with I? I, have a think, what can we try? I, what's a word that starts with I? Insect. Crawl like an insect around the room. 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 Oh, what's a word that starts with O? Oh, have a think, what do you know? Oh, what's a word that starts with O? Octopus! Sway like an octopus, wave your arms. 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 You, what's a word that starts with you? You, have a think, what could we do? You, what's a word that starts with you? Up! Point to the sky and jump up high. Point to the sky and jump up high. Point to the sky and jump up high. Point to the sky and jump up high.
Ha! That felt like Jojo.
No, it was me. Try again.
Okay. Ha! That was Maya again. I'm sure of it.
Nope, it was me that time.
Oh,
Try again, Tama.
okay. Jojo?
No, it was both of us.
Kia ora e te whānau.
Kia ora, Buzz.
Hey, what does a lemon say to its friends?
What?
Yellow.
Hey, cool bandana, Buzz.
Oh, thanks, Jojo. It's for Takaro time. Do you just want to play?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, but Buzz, where are the toys?
Well, the toys are our bodies and this bandana. Okay? All right. He's ready. Rima, wha, toru, rua, tahi, tīmata. Oh, now that I can't see, all my other senses are strong as. I can hear someone breathing. And someone smells like an egg sandwich.
Oh, that was me. I had one for lunch.
Oh! I got you, Maya!
Katie Pie, Buzz. You're really good at blindfold seeking.
Oh, you're a good friend. You want to go?
Yes, please. Rima, wha, toru, rua, tahi. Okay, I'm using all my senses. I can hear a cat. Oh, a bird? Is that you, Tama?
Ah, she found you, Tama.
Nice one, Maya.
Kia ora, my cuties. As you know, our eyes are two very talented body parts. They see things for us all day long, and we don't even have to, think about it. Like, my eyes look at my hand, ooh, and they know it's a hand. Or they look at me in the mirror, and they go, ooh, she's beautiful. Oh, gorgeous. There are some other cool things you can do with your eyes too, like this. See if you can cross your eyes too. If it's tricky, look at your finger and move it slowly towards your ihu, your nose, like this. Ta-da! Another cool thing you can do with your eyes is wink. Lower one eyelid and raise your cheek up so your eye closes while the other stays open, like this. Talented, eh? If you wink at someone, it means you think they're pretty cool. Ha! You stick with me and I'll always teach you the best tricks. E noho rā.
I'm so excited to play outside, Oma.
Me o hoki, Wolfie. Oh, I want to practice catching.
I want to practice catching too.
Oh, but there's only one ball.
Oh, dear.
Oh, I have an idea. Why don't you have a turn first and then I'll have a turn?
Oh, good idea, Oma. Tahi, rua, toru. Here you go, Oma. You can have a turn with the ball, and then I can have another turn after that.
Oh.
Here.
And then I'll have a turn? This is fun. Oh, and then you have a turn, Wolfie. Catch!
Oh, I've got an idea. We can practice catching by throwing the ball to each other.
Oh, great
Yeah.
idea, Wolfie.
Whee!
We're going to see my friend. They live so far away. We're going to see my friend. How will we find our way? We're gonna jump on a bike, jump on a bike, jump on a bike. Are we there yet? Are we there yet? We're going to see my friend. They live so far away. We're going to see my friend. How will we find our way? We're gonna jump on a bike, then get on a bus. Jump on a bike, then get on a bus. Jump on a bike, then get on a bus. Are we there yet? Are we there yet? We're going to see my friend. They live so far away. We're going to see my friend. How will we find our way? We're gonna jump on a bike, then get on a bus, then ride on a train. Gonna jump on a bike, then get on a bus, then ride on a train. Gonna jump on a bike, then get on a bus, then ride on a train. Are we there yet? Are we there yet? We're going to see my friend. They live so far away. We're going to see my friend. How will we find our way? We're gonna jump on a bike, then get on a bus, then ride on a train, then sail on a boat. Gonna jump on a bike, then get on a bus, then ride on a train, then sail on a boat. Gonna jump on a bike, then get on a bus, then ride on a train, then sail on a boat. Are we there yet? Yeah! Are we there yet? Yeah! Are we there yet? Yeah!
Hi, friend.
Hi!
together as lava.
Have you got some vinegar, Marianne? Take your hand back.
Me too.
Okay.
We're putting white vinegar. It's like lava. It's really bubbly. Give it to me. Lava. Lava. It's lava.
Oops. I made the eyes big as on this one. Hey, Te Pai, this one can be Maya. She's got the big as, beautiful eyes. Hey, Mohio, which animal has the largest eyes in the entire world?
The animal with the biggest eyes is the colossal squid, which lives in the icy cold waters around Antarctica. Each of a colossal squid's eyes is as big as a plate and helps them to see in the dark.
Eyes as big as a plate? Te nui hoki. That's humongous. Thanks, Mohio. Far out. Lucky we don't have any colossal squid in the Toy Time whānau. I mean, I don't think I've got a big enough piece of paper.
Hey, Mama, titiro mai. Look what I can do. Titiro mai, titiro mai, titiro mai, titiro mai, titiro mai, titiro mai. Well, I can jump across the puddle. Well, I can climb the highest mountain. Oh, titiro mai, titiro mai, titiro mai, titiro mai, titiro mai, titiro mai. Well, I can sing like my mama. Well, I can dance like my brother. Titiro mai, titiro mai, titiro mai, titiro mai, titiro mai, titiro mai. Well, I can cry when I'm feeling sad. Well, I can eat when I'm hangry. Titiro mai, titiro mai, titiro mai, titiro mai, titiro mai, titiro mai, titiro mai. I'm the bomb. I'm the bomb.
Kia ora, and welcome to What's in the Box, the taste test edition.
Woohoo! Yes! I'm gonna be so good at this. I love my kai.
Me too. Okay, when you're ready, both put your hands in the box and see if you can guess what it is. Okay.
Oh,
Feels a bit crunchy.
yeah. It feels like sand.
Oh, doesn't smell of anything. I'm not sure what it is. You might have to do a taste test.
Oh.
Okay.
Hereka. It's very sweet. Oh, is it sugar?
Oh, he kawa. It's very salty. This must be salt. You're both right. Tama, yours is huka, sugar, and Maya, yours is tote, salt.
Oh, but they look the same. sound the same.
They smell the same and they felt the same. That's why we have 5 different senses. Sight, hearing, touch, smell and taste. All work together to help us figure out what things are.
Just don't mix up the salt and the sugar when doing our baking later, Jojo. That wouldn't be so reka.
I won't. This is the tote and this is the hoka. Or is this the salt and that's the sugar? No, this was the sugar, right? And this was the salt? Yes. No, this was the sugar. Sugar.
Hi.
Right, we're going to play hide and seek. We're going to count to 10 and then go find Charlotte. 1,
We're playing hide and seek.
2, 3, 4,
Now I'm going to hide.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on, let's go find Charlotte.
I'm here.
Where's she?
My turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Coming with you or not? Oh, not there. Oscar's hiding. Not there. Thank you, Oscar. Bye.
Talofa, I'm Lucky, and this is story time. Today's story is about Tavita and his little brother's nap time. It was nap time for Tavita's baby brother, Tomasi, when he rushed through the door, banging and clanging and making a ruckus. Nana put her finger to her mouth and said, "Shh." Tavita froze like a statue and whispered quietly, "Tulo lava, Nana ma Tomasi." Tomasi wriggled and opened his eyes, but went back to sleep. Tavita whispered, "Phew, that was lucky." Tavita helped his Nana up from the couch, and they held hands as they walked to the kitchen. Nana gave him a snack and a glass of water while he sat high on a stool. She said, "Tavita, you did so well seeing your brother was having a nap and then quietly coming into the room." Tavita said, "When you said, shh, I saw Tomasi was having a nap, so then I was quiet." "Very clever, Tavita," Nana said. "You are a wonderful big brother and a great helper. Thank you." Tavita smiled and ate his yummy afternoon snack. So far, so ipo. We'll see you again next time.
Hi, Edita, we've got to go. We've had a good time, we'll see you tomorrow. Kakite ano, we'll see you again. Yeah. Woo. We all hope you had a good day. A kani kai and a really good play. Kakite ano, we'll see you again. Tofa soy fwa. Enohora, kakite ano.